Hey guys, Batsu here with some points on buying your first vape on the interwebs versus buying it in a vape shop. I'll share some of my own experiences and preferences with you after I hit the main points for your vaping consideration. Ready? I'm ready. Let's go. When you walk into your local vape shop, let's be real. It's like walking into your favorite electronics store, am I right? Am I right? All the pretty things and no time to try them all. The rough part is doing the peopling thing. I like to try a device or two to get a feel for it, ask for info if I need to, then walk out with all the vaping confidence in the world. The thing I don't like is the price tag. The cost of buying at a local vape shop will be noticeably higher than when buying online, but that's offset with being able to walk out with my new device and liquid in my hands. The peopling thing I was talking about is that some vape shops have salespeople that will attempt to sell you something that you may not want to buy. Stop trying to upsell me. No, but seriously, that's fine though. It really is. You could find something you didn't know you loved, and I'd say that's a perk. Just remember, it does cost a little bit more up front. It depends on what kind of experience you'd like to have, and that is totally up to you. And now for VapeWild's bread and vapor. Get it? Because this, instead of saying bread. When you buy online, there are just so many choices and things that are shiny that you can find that are in the webs, like the interwebs. Get it? No? Moving on. Some .coms will have a customer service team that will help you find what you are looking for, and that is where you will spend most of your time. Without being able to try the shiny new vape on the spot, you rely on the experience and suggestions of the team that you're speaking to. What makes it preferable to a lot of vapors is the ease on the old wallet. It's typically cheaper to buy online, that's a given, but that is offset by shipping. It takes a little time between ordering and receiving your vape. Or if you're like me, vapes have a vape obsession. So there you have it, the cost of shopping online versus your local vape shop. Now personally, I like to buy my vape stuff from the interwebs. I am just a big fan of not talking to people and just getting my stuff online. But what's really cool is VapeWild, like all of this gloriousness, we also have brick and mortar stores. So check out the VapeWild site and see if there is a VapeWild store near you. So, as always, I'm Batsu, and I am out. Sayonara! We done here? What's going on? Everybody should have a gold dragon. What's your personal preference? You tell me right now! Quickly! I think I've said this before. I feel like I'm having a bit of deja vu with a glitch in the Matrix.